So as you can see right here, inside of my affiliate dashboard, I've been able to generate over $58,000 in right around 90 days online. And what I'm going to do inside this video is I'm going to share with you, especially if you're someone completely brand new, how you can use affiliate marketing and my 3-step formula to start to generate instant $2,000 commissions directly to your bank account. Now, how is this possible? There's actually 3 simple steps, okay? And these are the steps right here. Now, what I'm going to do inside this video is I'm going to break down each of these steps. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and realistically start to earn this income as well. Now, before I share with you exactly how to apply this formula, I just want to share with you some results of other people so you can see what's possible. You can see this person right here. Hey, Garrett, I just wanted to say your training works. I already have 5 people saying they're joining. This person right here, Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week. You know, this person, I literally just started and I already had 2 people sign up. Now, these people are signing up. These people are making these referrals on autopilot because once you apply the high converting system that I'm going to reveal to you in this video, how to get access to the same system I'm using and all these people are using, you're going to be able to start to generate these commissions even while you're sleeping. You can see this person, Garrett, your training literally changed my life. My first $300 a day, going for $2K this week. So now how is this possible and how can you also set yourself up to make money, again, even if you're completely brand new? Step 1 is you need to create an account inside the same high-paying program that myself and my team is using. Now, there's going to be a link directly below this video. When you click that link, you should get taken to this page here, okay? Now, this page is basically going to give you access to a 4-day free affiliate crash course that I highly recommend you go through, but you'll also be able to partner with us inside of our high-paying program and join our team and access all the resources. So what you want to do on this page is you want to click watch the training, and then you want to put in your first name and your best email, okay? Now, once you do that and click submit, what's going to happen is you'll get redirected to a page that looks something like this. Now, you're also going to get an email with access to that 4-day free crash course. Now, like I said, especially if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you go through that crash course. That's going to walk you through steps on how high-ticket affiliate marketing works, different, powerful strategies. So I highly recommend you do that. Now, in order to partner with us and apply these 3 steps that myself and my team is using, on this page here, there's going to be a button that says Get Started, okay? What you want to do, and you can actually, look over these different testimonials, see the incredible resources you're going to get, but you just want to click one of the orange buttons that says Get Started. Now, once you do that, you're going to be able to create an account inside of the program. You can see right here, create an account inside the program. That's step number 1. So you want to put in your full name, your last name, a username, okay, a password. This is how you're going to be able to log in and see your daily commissions as you apply the rest of the simple formula I'm going to share in just a second. Put in your address, phone number, okay, things like that. Just create a basic account and then click submit, okay? Now, once you click submit, what's going to happen is you're going to get taken to your back office here, okay? Now, if you scroll down inside your back office, you're going to see these levels here. Now, these are different levels you can actually join at inside of this high ticket program. And what you want to do is you want to actually follow step 2. You want to activate the Vertex Live package, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to click on this package right here, Vertex Live. Now, the reason you want to do that is this is the package that you're going to be able to qualify for the $2,000 instant payments. Now, the Vertex Live is just a $2,500 one-time payment, okay? So you want to go ahead and click that. Now, when you click that, it's going to pop up into this window here where you can go ahead and continue to check out. And once you click this orange button, you're going to get taken to this page here. Now, all you have to do is simply fill out your payment details, put in a debit or credit card information, fill out your name, the country, and then go ahead and click the orange pay button at the bottom. Now, once you submit your payment, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to unlock the Vertex Live level. And again, this qualifies you to earn the $2,000 commissions. But what this also does is this gives you access to incredible resources and bonuses on top of what you're already going to be getting inside the program. So if we go here, the last step is once you create an account, once you activate at the Vertex Live level, so you can start to earn those daily instant $2,000 commissions like my team is doing, now what we want to do is we want to get 200 clicks of traffic, okay? So what I'm going to be doing for you, what our team is going to be doing for you, is when you actually partner with us at the Vertex Live level, we're going to be giving you 200 clicks of top tier traffic. So once you set up your account inside and you activate Vertex Live, you want to go into your dashboard and you would go to my links rather. You'd go to my links. Now when you click my links, what's going to happen is you're going to get taken to these different opt-in pages, okay, these different funnels. Now you just want to choose one, okay, like let's say this one here, and your sole goal is to get traffic or clicks to your link, okay? Now what's going to happen is when you do that, you can actually have our pre-written emails start following up with your leads, converting them into these $2,000 commissions. So like I said, the last step is to get traffic. But when you join, okay, when you join at the Vertex Live level right here, and you pay that $2,500 to qualify at that level, what my team is going to be doing is we're going to basically take whatever opt-in page you want to promote, and we're going to be sending you 200 clicks of top tier traffic to your link, okay? So if you've ever struggled to get clicks to a link online, not to worry. That's why you want to join at the $2,500 level, because you can actually access these clicks. So what will happen is when you join, you'll get an invitation to your email to join our private Facebook team group, okay? Now, once you're inside our private Facebook team group, the pinned post at the top is basically where you're going to access all our amazing resources, okay? So you can access our personal high converting funnel, okay? You'll be able to access our 14-day email series, but you'll also be able to activate your 200 traffic clicks, okay? And once you do that, you will start having within the day or so 200 top tier clicks going to your opt-in link and starting to go through the follow-up and converting into sales. Just like the people that I shared right here, okay? Just like myself, this is exactly what we're doing. So again, go down below, get set up, put your name and email in, go through the sign up process, and then look out for an email and the next steps to start to get sales with affiliate marketing.